Hey, the Bears here, and today we're at
Hotel Planas in Salou.
Woo-hoo! So we're going to show you the hotel room, what it's about, and if it's good to stay here. So let's go! Bit of breakfast, huh? Hey. So show you what we got.
Yeah.
Feel a little better there.
Yeah.
Put a microwave there.
Yeah.
And an orange.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Coffee machines. We had a cappuccino yesterday and
It's definitely
not like a mocha, didn't it?
It's definitely a mocha.
Yeah. It was still nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Your milks there. Your plates, your jams, your butters, your margarines, your... What else is there? I'm not too sure. Jams, butters and margarines and cutlery. Plastic straws, I mean that's a rare thing now, aren't they? And these are your pastries, aren't they? Some cereal, to be honest, but these are the ones, aren't they? Oh, look at these. Look at that. Planas chocolats there. I'm not too sure what they are. That's cinnamon swirls or something. Croissant. Croissant. And the donuts. And we got some here. I think there's yogurt in it or something like that. Some meats. Condiments and things. Quite good, don't they? Some meats and cheeses. Ooh, some fruits. Always nice to have a bit of fruit, isn't it?
It is.
It is, yeah. And then we're having a banana.
Yeah.
Treat yourself.
Yeah.
And then you're having some cooked stuff in a bit.
Yeah.
This is round one.
Yeah.
A little donuts and pan of chocolate there.
These are nice.
Are they nice? Yeah. We had one yesterday, didn't we? Well, you did. I haven't tried one yet. Do you reckon it'd be nice? I'll try it. Right, so we're going to try these here.
Pan of chocolate.
Yeah, here we go. Very nice. It's like Nutella.
Yeah, it is.
Very nice. Recommend. Some sausages and bacon here. Looks like we just missed the bacon, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it must be popular.
It must be.
But you definitely do. You can see it's there, nice and crispy. Some sausages and I think some kind of like egg thing. You've got all your toasts and your bread and that over here, haven't they? So you can do your baps if you want.
Yeah.
Anything you want.
That's good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I would like some beans, but it's not really a Spanish thing, is it?
No, not really.
No. I'm not really fussed. Not really breakfast people, are we?
No.
One lonesome little sausage. And it's dry. The sausage was okay. How was your fruit?
Very nice.
Good, nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Juicy.
Yeah. Nice little breakfast, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're on our way to Port Ventura. I'm going to get that bus just there. Let's go. Go, 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 quick, quick. You getting the bus, Ab?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully, well, there's one coming, but is it ours? We'll find out very soon. Right, we're on the bus finally.
Yeah.
A little bit late, isn't it, to be honest? But we still got like 10, 12 hours there.
Yeah.
About 11 hours, sorry.
Yeah.
So it should be pretty good.
Yeah.
And how much was the bus?
€2.05 each.
That's a bargain, isn't it?
Absolute bargain.
Yeah.
It would cost about, from here, about €15–20 in a taxi, so that's nothing. And it's bus number 4.
Bus number 4?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it says Port Ventura quite clearly,
Yeah.
bang on the front, doesn't it?
It
So
was. Yeah.
Guys, so this is the pool area. It's only a little small one, but it's very nice. Me and Hev were in there this morning. We had about an hour in there actually, to be fair. It was quite nice. We just sat just over there, just there, and then we jumped in there. But it's very nice, it's very, that's what it is. You have a little door code thing just in that corner there to get in. Obviously they tell you the code, we're not going to say it on the internet. But yeah, very nice little pool. And I think I was just there, ready for our drinks. Right, so we're at the bar, aren't we? Yeah, this is the bar. We've got some drinks here, haven't we?
We have.
One thing we will say, you get nuts every time you order. And we have noticed, actually, this is a bear's top tip, isn't it? The more drinks you order, we've only had like 3 max in a go, haven't we?
Yeah.
But every time we've ordered, you get a better food thing.
Yeah, you do.
So we've gone from nuts to crisps, and then we got a sandwich.
Yeah.
So it's like, this is really good for nothing. This is really good, isn't it? Yeah, Hotel Planas.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. Staff have been fantastic.
Yeah, really, really good.
Yeah, it's been okay. I mean, price is the price, isn't it? Basic room,
Yeah.
but nice.
Very nice.
What more can you ask for,
Exactly.
really?
And you go down that street just there and there's the beach.
To be honest, I've just passed you there. Oh no, it's literally just past that little thing there, guys.
Yeah.
But literally, the sea's just there.
Yeah.
We were down there earlier on, weren't we?
We were.
That's why we're a little bit red at the moment, because it's very hot, isn't it?
Very.
36 degrees since we last checked in.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty hot.
Very hot.
Hello. Fancy seeing you here.
I know, yeah.
So this is a bit of a room tour.
Yes, Hotel Planas.
Hotel Planas in Salou.
Yeah.
And it's been a nice stay. We're at the end of our stay now, aren't we?
Yeah.
So I suppose we're probably best to review it, aren't we?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So show us around, Have.
Right, so you get 2 nice beds.
They are separate, aren't
They're
they?
2 singles, they're not one big double.
Yeah, we're not a fan of that. People like them. We don't. Each to their own, that's fine.
Definitely.
Yeah, but they were very comfortable.
Yeah,
You
they
would-
slept really well.
Yeah, they were really comfortable, weren't they?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah.
You get, some of the rooms have balconies if you pay more money, but we got the cheapest.
The cheapest one,
We
yeah.
didn't have a balcony, but you can obviously pay for that if you do want to. It'll be on the front, looking at the pool, which you've probably seen B-roll of.
So yeah, at some point, I think there's a couple at the side as well. I did notice the other night, but only just a few couple, not many.
That's our view.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the greatest view in the world, but you know what? It's not bad. It's not buildings art, is it? So.
And we've not really been in the room overly much, have we?
To be fair, yeah, the few hours we have been in here, it doesn't really matter, does it?
No.
Yeah, I've got lights there.
Yeah.
And plugs. And then just over there, that side.
The aircon's really good, I'm going to say.
Yeah, really good. To be honest, it just literally on, and then a few buttons there. The only thing is you can't take it out, that's no problem. I assume there's issues there.
For that.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine, no problem whatsoever.
Nice big wardrobe where you do get a safe, you get some drawers, spare blanket, spare pillows which we've got on the bed.
Yep, some drawers down there.
Nice.
Safe, spare blankets in the winter. Some hangers. Oh, and there's a mirror here. Hey. Just if you do need a mirror, because it comes in handy, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah.
And you've got a nice TV and desk area, so you can chill out if you need to, do some editing if that's what you're into.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We haven't watched any of the TV at all, to be honest, so I don't know how it works or what channels you get or anything, but I assume it's just your standard abroad stuff.
Yeah, I assume so.
You might be able to get Channel 4 or BBC or something, I'm not too sure.
Yeah. And then you do get a fridge.
You do get a little fridge there.
Yeah. Oh, that's my bottle of sangria.
Have sangria that we couldn't quite finish. Did well though, it was fairly cheap, wasn't it?
Yeah,
and it was with lemonade.
It was.
It was like pre-mixed too. It was quite nice, wasn't it?
Very nice.
Did share a little bit, didn't we?
Yeah.
And you got some information bits there if you just want to have a pause and look through that there. It's a nice magazine, and these are just a couple of little bits we picked up just to have a look around.
Yep.
And yeah, that's about it really, isn't
Yeah.
it?
And then
Overly a lot, isn't it?
No, and then just the bathroom.
Just the bathroom.
It's massive.
Yeah, it's pretty big, isn't it, to be honest?
It is. The shower was really good. Like,
Yeah.
really good. I think everything's been recently renovated.
It seems it, doesn't it? Yeah. All seems very fresh and new and things. And we will say, this isn't our first room. We did have a room.
Yeah.
There was a slight leak and it was slight leak, wasn't it? And they swapped it around straight.
For us.
Yeah. And I think it was because it was so new.
Yeah, I think it was, yeah.
Yeah, I just think it hadn't
been done.
worn in yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got your sink area there.
You get loads of towels.
Yeah.
Obviously, we've used them ones.
Yeah, there's just a loo there. And there's a little stool in the corner.
Yeah.
Just in case you need it.
Just in case, yeah. And then a hairdryer.
Oh, hairdryer.
I personally haven't used it.
Yeah, so I don't know what it's like, but no. I mean, we got you guys probably not doing the best in the world, but better than nothing.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Can't fault it, can you?
No.
And your towels were just down there, weren't you?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, isn't it, really?
Yeah, so we've stayed here for 3 nights.
3 nights?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bed and breakfast we got, and we only paid 200 quid. Like, we're in the middle of Salou in July, so that is an absolute bargain. So yeah. I personally would recommend.
Yeah, you can't really fault it. No. You paid for what you get.
Yeah.
And this has been a lovely stay.
It has.
It has. So this is the reception. Yeah, get some information here, can't you? And get some help just there. And they help you out. Yeah. Shout out Mabu.
Yeah. And
the lady who checked us in, but she didn't really say her name. So.
I don't remember her name.
No. Shout out them too.
Yeah.
Bill. There's a little bar just in there. Wellness thing here. I think there's a gym just down here, isn't there? There's some lovely seating. Wellness area. That's where you can get like spas and stuff, isn't it? But yeah, a little gym there. And some toilets just there, because we all know you need them when you get to an hotel, especially if it's been a long trip. But yeah, nice little, here's what it is, isn't it? Yeah. Nice little bar area. Where you got all your stuff there, they do little bits of food. And they brought us the little snack, didn't they?
Yeah.
It was quite nice, wasn't it, Tom? Yeah, really nice little hotel. We've enjoyed our stay, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh guys, so we hope you've enjoyed our little walk around and show of the hotel, Hotel Planas. It's been pretty nice, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has been really good.
But if you want to see more videos from Salou, Spain, or even Portaventura, check one of these out over here.